Today we shall discuss use of article before proper noun. Use of article before proper noun. Before proper noun. Use of article before proper noun. First rule, generally, no article is generally used. No article is generally used. No article is generally used before the name of person, continent, country, state, district, town, etc. District, town, etc. Generally, no article is used. It's generally used. No article is generally used before the name of person, continent. What is the meaning of continent? Mahadesha. Mahadesha. Country, state, district, town, etc. But I have told this is generally not fixed. No rule is fixed in English. No rule is fixed in English. But when you united, union, when united, union, etc., when the word but, united, union, etc. words are used before the country, article is used. The is used. The is used. Suppose America, no article is used. But the United States of America, the United States of America. Just like Russia, but the USSR. Just like England, but UK, the UK. This is the country. This is the rule for the country. This is the rule for the country. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When it is a rule, it is a rule. continent, country, state, district, town. But United Union words are used. In the United Union, etc. words are used. Before the country, these used. Okay? This is the first rule. This is the first rule. Shall I remove?
Sir, ticket.
Yes.
Shall I remove?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second rule is no article is used before town, before the district. No article is used before the, no article is used before the name of the district, before the name of the district, before the name of the state, before the name of the state. But one thing I like to tell you, the Punjab. The Punjab. The Punjab. Because in Punjab, the combination of is surrounded by 5 rivers. If पंच इवर समाहारक पंजाब कहा जाए, when the collection, when a state or district or continent, whatever it may be, if it is single, then there is not a usual. If it is collection, if the place is the collection of some places or combination of some places, there is usual. No article is used before the name of the state, but it is the combination of 5 rivers. Combination of 5 rivers. Combination of 5 rivers. That means Punjab is surrounded by 5 rivers. So the Punjab, but Odisha. But Odisha, Odisha, Delhi, no article is used before all these places. Calcutta, Mumbai, no these used. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Just like if the war, Republican is used. Come on. Republican is used. Republican is used before the name of the country. Before the name of the country. Before the name of the country. Before the name of the country, the is used. The is used. Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
When the Republican is used, the Republican of Ireland, the Republican of Ireland, the Republican of Ireland, Ireland, the Republican of Ireland, but the German Democratic Republic, but Ireland. But Ireland. If you write Ireland, no article is used. But if you write Republican, this is used. Just like the German you say, the German Democratic Republic, the German German Democratic Republic. German Democratic Republic. German Democratic Republic. But if you write German, no article is used. If you write Germany, no article is used. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So, it is the concrete rule. It is the rule we came to conclusion that no article is generally used before the name of person, continent, country, state, district, town. But there is an exception. These are the exception. These are the exception. We discussed some exception case